Hello everyone, my name is Anvesh Vankalapati. Today I'm going to demonstrate you the Android application on sports which is developed in Android platform 2.1.2 and the process starts from here. So this is the layout of my application. So first let me go and run the program. So the grade builder has been started. So it might take some time in this between. I can explain the source code in this between. So I'll go ahead and explain the source code. So this is the basically my project contains of these parts, these modules. So you can see right over here. So home 1, home 2, home 3, home 4, login activity, movie modal and sign up activity. So this home 1 sports activity consists of login login id, signing up, and home 2 product activity consists of the kind of different types of sports, and product 3 home consists of different products under the category of the sports and with their pricing. Home 4 activity is for app compatibility. This login activity is for coding for login credentials. So this movie model is for setting the image and returning the image for all this stuff, and the sign up activity is for signing up coding. So let's go deep into that. So so firstly, this is the my URL which I have the domain named by me. So this URL to hit is used for this URL is used for data fetching from this domain. So basically this, you can see right here, this protected void on create bundle saved instant state. It is used as if activity needs to recreate, no prior information will be lost. If no data given, so this stays null. So this is used to recreate the data without no prior of loss of the information. So coming to this super on create save instant state, this is used to run the additional code to the existing code. And moving on to this dialogues are used to, so process to be done. These dialogues are used to process to be done. And moving on to here, so you can see the comments right here as I mentioned them in the code itself. So these are used for creating default options. So this JSON is the main part of this, which is used to fetch the data from the URL which I mentioned above. And also you can see this right here. So JSON right here too. So below single line code is for JSON, which saves the information from the URL. And moving on down, so here dialogues, we can see that right. And the dialog background is used to state that the data fetching has been done and has been stopped. And you can see right here, so this Wally right here, this is as a network library. This acts as a network library. And coming to the code again, so we have now discussed about the home 1 sports activity. So this home 2 sports activity is based on for setting up text views and stuff like this. So this is for getting login ID, everything else, and here we can see that. So this is right here, you can see that the tag ID of the product we are going to implement in this project, and the product name and the product list right here in this part. So this is the main part of the product where we are going to name the product and some assigning and some ID for the product right here. So you can see this here, and this part 4 is for app compatibility. So to run successfully app in the desired Android version. So this is the basic coding activity we all do generally in the Java. So this is for entering the user email, password for the login, and so that might be from A to Z or numerics from 0 to 10 or some special characteristics or some special characters. So this been done over here. And coming to movie model, so this gives that text, image, and sign up activity, same as similar to the login activity. So where we can give the username, password, and the user email address. So that might be from alphabets or numerics, or that might be special characters. This is done over here. So let's go into the project now, the application. So here you can see that the emulator is been run perfectly, and we can see the application on the emulator right over here. So this is asking for the email address and the password for the login. So let's go and do the login first, and then later we gonna do the sign up also. So after that, enter the password and then login. So once the login is done, we are going to redirect to this page. So here we can see different kind of sports like cricket, soccer, tennis, and here also some badminton, fitness and gym, and some more like this adventure. So these are the sports, different kind of sports I choose for my application for the shopping. So first let's go into one of them and see that. So as we open cricket, we can see lot of stuff in the cricket like bats, leather cricket balls, tennis cricket balls, helmets, gloves, batting pads, and some more options right here. So let's go back and see in the other one. So let's go to the soccer and see right over there. So in the soccer we have different items like soccer balls, goals, plates, guards, and goalkeeper gloves in this part, and be, and same as this, every component of the sports will be having some more different equipments under that. So next I'm gonna show you the purchase in the different types of goods in the different types of sports. So in the cricket we can see different kinds of like bats, leather cricket balls, and something like that. So let's open this and see whether we could buy something. So in the bats we can see two different kinds of bat, one worth rupees 400 and other worth rupees 2500. So let's go and check this in the different sport. So let's go back first. So now let's go into the other part like tennis and search for some products right there. So here we can see different kind of tennis equipments like tennis rackets, tennis balls, tennis shoes, tennis towels, books, accessories, sunglasses, etc. So let's go and open one of them and see the types of goods and prices over there. So under the soccer we can see different kinds of stuff like soccer balls, goals, cleats, guards and goalkeeper gloves. Let's go ahead and see some items that are on the sale. So here we can see the different kinds of balls which are worth rupees 150 and the other one worth rupees 640 rupees. So let's I have done only adding items for two of these sports. One is cricket and the other one is football. We can also do that for tennis, badminton, fitness, gym and adventure. Whereas for that we need to go to the domain of mine. This link provided right here, and this is done in the godaddy.com. So we have to go there and add some stuff so that we can see the products over all these other stuff. So as I don't have the sufficient time to do that, I stopped only with the two of them. So the latest advanced features which I used in this are logging in, sign up, and the other one is web services. So these web services are used for sending the server the data and collecting the data from the domain which I had. So this one right here, and that's all for today. Thank you.